What is up guys? In today's video I'm going to be share with you how you can make easily $320 per day. I'm going to share with you exact process, what you need to do and how you need to do, and it is the simplest way to make $320 or even more, and literally you do not need a lot of skill to do this. Okay, so guys, be sure to stick with me so you do not miss anything, and in the end of the video I'm also going to share one secret that is not even going to take one complete hour to make $320 a day. Okay, so before we get into the video, I have something for you. As I've already shown you that I have 100% free training to make $100 per day, and after this training nobody can stop you to make $100 per day. Okay, and if you are in the niche of making money online and entrepreneurship related niche and business related niche, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for daily videos. Okay, so now let's get into the video. What are we going to do? We are going to simply create the content. It can be writing content, and even if you do not know to write, then also I'm going to share something different. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to reach out to other guys who need to create the content. Okay, for example, the best thing over here, we can go over here, like we can go on the freelancing sites like Freelancer, Fiverr, Upwork. Okay, I will recommend you, do not go with the Fiverr, and accept the Fiverr, go with all others. Okay, just like Zeus, it is one of the hidden gem for the writers. Okay, what you need to do, just come on the zeus.com. Okay, and thereafter just go down and click on the apply to be a writer. Okay, then you can easily come over here. But how are you going to make $320 or even more? Okay, what we are going to do over here, look at the, it is also a great site, but I don't know why it's not opening now. Okay, and I write it further. Look at this, this is the average price, $80 per 500 words. That means you need to write 2000 words to make $320, and it's very easy. Well, I will be showing you the process. Okay, so let me show you some other websites, like eBillline is also one of the website, or even you can go with the upwork.com. Okay, upwork.com, and even there are lots of the freelancing websites. You can just go on any of the 12 websites like Textbroker is also one of the great websites you can work with. What I will recommend you, join about 5 to 10 websites, so you will start getting the work on daily basis, because we need work on daily basis. Okay, and getting the 2000 words article is not a big deal. Okay, because everybody, it's not a big deal. Most of the guys want an article from 1000 words to 2000 words, so we just need one client to make $320. Okay, so look at this. They have shown a lot of websites, like you can just go and find the website that is as per you. For example, if you are good in writing about financial advice, then go with another things. Okay, so that is the thing, you need to find the website like yours, and be sure to join the freelancing website, because you will get all kind of work over there. Okay, so now you have joined the website, you need to create a gig over there, like something, I am a content writer and I charge this price. What I will recommend you, try to charge the minimum price you can, because we want to acquire the clients. After some time we will be able to enlarge in the business. Okay, so look at this, what we are going to do now to make money. Look at this article writing. This guy is paying 360, average bid is about $363. So if we are going to place a bid of $300, absolutely we are going to win. Okay, literally we need to do some work like this. We need to provide the best quality work. Okay, and we need to provide the cheapest price ever. You might be thinking that I'm not a professional, but I'm going to share with you the process, what you can do. Okay, look at this, a lot of guys have bidded over here. You can bid over here anywhere, just provide them the best price. We are here to acquire the clients in the beginning. Okay, look at this, all this stuff over here. I need a writer for my website. Okay, he hasn't mentioned the words. Yeah, you can say like per hour or whatever it is. Yeah, these are all of the similar jobs you can also find. Look at this. Okay, so we need to find the jobs on the freelancer. You just need to type and you will see lots of bids. Just give the least bid you can. Okay, and what we are going to do, just look at this. Average price for per word. Okay, average price is about 15 cent. Okay, now let me share with you the process. Okay, step 1, just go and create an account on 5 to 10 freelancing websites. Step 2, just create the bid. Step 1, what is the step 1? Just go and create an account on the 5 to 10 websites. Create an account. Okay, and the step 2 is what it is, like creating your own bid, creating your own gig. It's not bid, it's your own gig. Okay, create your own gig so they can find you. Okay, and thereafter in the third step, just find the jobs like yours. Okay, and start bidding on there, over there. Start bidding on the jobs. Okay, we need to provide the best price, the cheapest price ever. Okay, and now how are we going to do? The average price is the 15 cent per okay, average price is 15 cent per word. So if we are going to write the 2000 words article, we will be able to make $300, and it's you can even write more articles. Okay, so we need to find something like this. Now if you will create a account on 5 to 10 website, you will easily get one order. We are going to do the bidding on about 5 to 10 or even 20 or even 30 gigs, and absolutely we will get one order. Okay, so thereafter we are going to, let's say they have given you the work of like weight loss, write an article on weight loss. So if you do not know anything, just go on the Google and type weight loss, and just find about 5 to 10 articles. Just take a reading, just take a reading and come on the Google Docs. Okay, what do you need to do? Just type the Google Docs on the Google, and you need to open this page. Okay, you will easily be able to open this page. Thereafter what do you need to do? Just come over here and click on tools. Wait for a minute. Okay, they are loading. Just wait for a minute. Okay, look at this. There is an option of the voice typing. So what we are going to do, we are going to use the option. Whenever you are going to type something, look at this, everything is going to be typed over here, and literally you might be thinking that it is not correct. Okay, yeah, it may not be correct. So for that I have also one thing. You can install a plugin called Grammarly. Okay, this is Grammarly. Whatever the mistakes will be yours, they are gonna to do it red, and then you can easily, you just need to click on it and they will show you the right thing, and then you can do it right. Okay, so it's very easy and anybody can do it. Okay, and literally you just need to take a reading over here, from here, collect about 5 to 10 points, and just to start speaking your thoughts over here, and that's it, my friend, that's it. Just type your thoughts over here and do the correction. Hardly it is going to take 30 minutes to write 2000 words article. Look at this, in just 5 minutes I have written over 100 words, 50 plus words in just it's not 5 minutes, it's just 1 minute. I have written so many words. After that you just need to copy this article and just paste it over there. That's it, guys, that's it. But if you do not want to write the content, just what you need to do, just go on the Fiverr. Okay, and you need to find a content writer over there. Fiverr is the cheapest website ever. You need to find like a writer, and I will suggest you go with 5 to 10 guys and tell them that you are going to be in long-term relation with them. You are going to do a long-term business with them. Look at this. He is going to write a article for just $5. Okay, tell them that you will be in the business with them for a long time, and they will even to give you least price, because the price over here is $5, but you need to pay $6 because $1 will go to the Fiverr, and from the out of that $5, out of this $20, Fiverr I think is gonna to charge about 20%. Okay, so 20% from both of the side. So you will be saving a lot of money. For example, if the gig is of $5, that they will charge $6 from you, $2 will go to Fiverr. So in this way you can tell them that you want to be in the relation with them for long-term business. Okay, and they will 90% of them will agree even for $3. Okay, you need to come over here, click on contact them, and ask them for their email, and come in their contact for long term. Okay, okay, so he has mentioned the 500 words for $20. Okay, So he is gonna to do the 2000 words article. Okay, and the 40% will be reduced. That means about $12 for 500 words. Okay, $12 for 500 words. That means about $50 for 2000 words article. You have earned the $300 over there and paid $50 over here. So you have made $250. So guys, that is so simple. Just to start taking action and the success will come to you. That is the biggest hinder. That is the biggest problem. You are not getting success just because you are not taking action. Nothing can be easy than this. And I am also going to show the one process. Or if you do think that it is gonna do not work, just go to the Facebook and type the find the guys like bloggers. Just tell them that you are going to do the work for free. Give them 1 or 2 articles for free to them. They give them so much good quality that they are gonna to be in love with you. Okay, just then you can easily find the bloggers. Okay, just create good quality content. Look at this, 81,000 members. At least one will be your permanent customer, at least, and he can easily provide you one content daily, because he is not only having one blog, he is having 10 blogs, 20 blogs. They are managing a lot of blogs. At least, if I am telling you, one is the you cannot imagine. If at all you are only going to get 10, you will be getting lots and lots of money. Give them 1 or 2 clients for free. Okay, 1 or 2 articles for free. They will pay you much higher price than you think. Just to start giving value to others, and you will see the value will come back to you with much higher returns. That is just that simple, guys. Just start taking action, and be sure to take your free training to make $100 a day, and I'll see you in the next video. So bye bye everyone.